Welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. Meet our chefs. She is sweet. And he is savory.
Hi, welcome to the Sweet and Savory channel. This is the sweet part and I'm Steff. And today I have something special for you. Banana brownies. Let's do this. We are going to start with some room temperature butter and some sugar. We are going to fluff the butter. Mashing time. We want some bites in our bread, so that is why we are mashing it. If you dislike it, you can blend it. As you can see, the batter is changing and is becoming fluffy. With the help of the le spatule, we are going to help the mixer. Now, we are going to add 1 egg and boom! The texture changed completely. Now the rest of the egg and we shall continue mixing. What is a brownie without cocoa powder? Our mixture is almost ready, but we need to add some chocolate. Chocolate. Now the piece of resistance, banana. We are done! Whoopsie! I forgot the flour. Mix everything and let it rest for 5 minutes. Bake these bad boys at 352 for 45 minutes.
Later.
Well, let's get started. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, it's so... Oh, no. I need to eat more. So good. I could eat every day this. Thank you again so much for watching. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Send me your picture at support us on Patreon, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.